Hey everyone! Welcome to your Esthetician Biology Basics 101 crash course. Perfect for test prep and understanding how the human body works with your skincare services. Today we're covering major body systems, cellular structure, and how these systems interact to maintain skin health. Let's get started. Biology is the scientific study of life and living organisms, encompassing various fields that explore the structure, function, growth, evolution, and distribution of life forms. Biology is derived from the Greek words bios, meaning life, and logos, meaning study. As a branch of science, biology deals with all aspects of living organisms, from the smallest microorganisms to complex multicellular plants and animals. Let's take a look at where it all began. Aristotle earned the title Father of Science and Biology due to his pioneering work in classifying and studying living organisms, establishing essential frameworks for modern biological sciences. Aristotle was born in 384 BC in Stagira, Greece, and was a student at Plato's academy. His fascination with the natural world deepened during his stay on the island of Lesbos, which inspired his extensive studies of various organisms, leading to the emergence of biology as a science. Aristotle's methods are still used today in various fields such as law, mathematics, computer science, politics, and ethics. There are many fields of biology that include anatomy, the study of the bodily structure of organisms; botany, the study of plants; ecology, the study of relationships between various organisms; microbiology, the study of tiny organisms; pathology, the study of diseases and their cause and effects; pharmacology, the study of using and effects of drugs; physiology, the study of the functions of living organisms and their parts; taxonomy, the study of classification of organisms; toxicology, the study of nature and effects of poisons; and zoology, the study of animals. A cell is the fundamental unit of life, composed of essential structures including the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and organelles, each playing vital roles in maintaining the cell's functions. The cell membrane, or plasma membrane, is a phospholipid bilayer embedded with proteins, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. This fluid mosaic structure allows flexibility and regulates the entry and exit of substances. It acts as a selectively permeable barrier, meaning it controls what goes in and out of the cell. This includes nutrients, ions, and waste products, thus maintaining the cell's internal environment and facilitating communication with other cells. The cytoplasm is the gel-like substance filling the interior of the cell between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It consists mainly of water, salts, and organic molecules, providing a medium for biochemical reactions. It supports and suspends the organelles, and contains various enzymes and nutrients crucial for metabolic processes. Many cellular functions, including protein synthesis and energy production, occur within the cytoplasm. The nucleus is a large, membrane-bound organelle that contains the cell's genetic material, DNA. It is surrounded by a nuclear envelope, which has pores that regulate the movement of molecules in and out. It serves as the control center of the cell, managing gene expression, and thus directing cell growth, metabolism, and reproduction. The nucleus contains the nucleolus, where ribosomal RNA is produced and assembled into ribosomes. Organelles are specialized structures within the cell, each performing distinct functions essential for cellular activities. Ribosomes are tiny structures that synthesize proteins by translating messenger RNA into polypeptide chains. Ribosomes can be free-floating in the cytoplasm or bound to the rough ER. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouses of the cell, are essential organelles in nearly all eukaryotic cells, primarily responsible for producing energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate (ATP). Mitochondria are double membrane-bound organelles found within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, including those in plants, animals, and fungi. Their key role involves converting nutrients and oxygen into ATP through a process called oxidative phosphorylation, making them vital for cellular energy production. Mitosis is a process of cell division that results in two genetically identical daughter cells from a single parent cell, crucial for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction in organisms. Mitosis is a type of eukaryotic cell division that facilitates growth and cellular repair. It allows one parent cell to generate two daughter cells, each with the same number and type of chromosomes as the original cell. This ensures that genetic material is preserved across generations of cells, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of an organism's genome. Metabolism refers to the set of life-sustaining chemical reactions that occur in your body, converting food and drink into energy necessary for vital processes such as breathing, digestion, and muscle movement. Metabolism is the collective term for the biochemical processes that occur in living organisms, ensuring they can grow, reproduce, maintain their structures, and respond to their environments. These processes can be divided into two main categories. Catabolism. This involves breaking down complex molecules into simpler compounds, releasing energy in the process. For example, during digestion, food is broken down for energy production. Anabolism. This is the opposite process where simple molecules are combined to form complex structures. Anabolic reactions are crucial for growth, tissue repair, and the synthesis of important biomolecules such as proteins and nucleic acids. Cell turnover is the natural process by which old or damaged cells are replaced with new ones, essential for maintaining skin health and overall tissue integrity. Cell turnover is a biological process that refers to the continuous shedding of old cells and the generation of new ones. This process plays a crucial role in various tissues throughout the body, particularly the skin. The integumentary system is the body's first line of defense, comprising the skin, hair, nails, and glands, and serving crucial roles in protection, regulation, and sensation. The integumentary system is the body's outermost layer and largest organ system. It includes several components. Skin, the primary organ, it acts as a protective barrier against external threats. Hair, provides insulation and protects the skin from UV radiation. Nails, protect the tips of fingers and toes and aid in the manipulation of objects. Glands, such as sweat and sebaceous glands, which help regulate temperature and maintain skin hydration. When exposed to sunlight, the skin synthesizes vitamin D, essential for bone health and calcium absorption. The integumentary system collaborates with the immune system to defend against infections, with immune cells playing a role in detecting and responding to invaders. The integumentary system is crucial for overall health, acting as a protective barrier while supporting various physiological processes. The skeletal system is the framework of bones and cartilage that provides structure, support, and protection to the body. It consists of 206 bones in adults, which serve several key functions. It provides a rigid structure that supports the body and cradles vital organs. The skeletal system protects internal organs such as the brain, heart, and lungs from injury. Bones act as levers, allowing muscles to produce movement. Bones store essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are released into the bloodstream as needed. The bone marrow within certain bones produces red and white blood cells. Common conditions include arthritis and osteoporosis. The human face has 14 bones, known collectively as the facial skeleton. These bones create structure, protection of sensory organs, and facilitating functions such as eating and speaking. The muscular system is a complex network of tissues responsible for movement, posture, and circulation, comprising approximately 600 muscles that work in harmony with the skeletal and nervous systems. The muscular system is essential for generating force and motion in the human body. It enables a wide range of actions from simple movements like blinking to complex athletic maneuvers. The system consists of three main types of muscle tissue: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are voluntary and striated. These muscles are under conscious control, allowing for deliberate movements. Skeletal muscles have a striped appearance due to their structure. They are primarily responsible for locomotion and maintaining posture. They are attached to bones by tendons and make up about 40% of body weight. Smooth muscles are involuntary and non-striated. These muscles operate without conscious control and are found in the walls of hollow organs such as the intestines and blood vessels. Smooth muscles do not have the striated appearance of skeletal muscles. They control various involuntary actions including digestion and blood flow regulation. Cardiac muscles are involuntary and striated. Found exclusively in the heart, cardiac muscle is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Like skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle is striated but operates involuntarily. It contracts rhythmically and continuously to maintain blood circulation. The nervous system is the body's main communication network, responsible for sending signals between the brain and the rest of the body, regulating functions and enabling responses to stimuli. The nervous system is a complex network that coordinates the activities of the body. It consists of two main parts, the central nervous system (CNS) and the peripheral nervous system (PNS). The central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. The brain processes information and coordinates responses, while the spinal cord transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The peripheral nervous system encompasses all the nerves outside the CNS. It connects the CNS to limbs and organs, facilitating communication between the brain and the body. The PNS is further divided into the somatic nervous system, controlling voluntary movements, and the autonomic nervous system, regulating involuntary functions like heartbeat and digestion. Cranial nerves are a set of 12 paired nerves that connect the brain to various parts of the head, neck, and trunk, playing crucial roles in sensory and motor functions. Cranial nerves are essential components of the peripheral nervous system, emerging directly from the brain rather than the spinal cord. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, each with specific functions related to sensory and motor activities. The trigeminal nerve, CN5, is responsible for sensation in the face and motor functions such as biting and chewing. The facial nerve, CN7, controls the muscles of facial expression and functions in taste sensations from the anterior two-thirds of the tongue. And the accessory nerve, CN11, controls certain shoulder and neck muscles. The cranial nerves are categorized based on their functions. The circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, and waste products throughout the body. It consists of the heart, which pumps blood, and a network of blood vessels including arteries, veins, and capillaries. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood through the arteries to the tissues, while veins return oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. This system also helps regulate body temperature and pH levels. Additionally, it includes the lymphatic system, which plays a role in immune function and fluid balance. Overall, the circulatory system is essential for maintaining homeostasis and supporting the body's functions. The lymphatic system is a crucial part of the immune system, responsible for maintaining fluid balance, filtering waste, and protecting the body against infections. The lymphatic system is a network of organs, vessels, and tissues that plays a vital role in the body's immune response and fluid regulation. It consists of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, and various lymphoid organs, including the spleen, thymus, and tonsils. The lymphatic system collects excess interstitial fluid, lymph, from tissues and returns it to the bloodstream, helping to maintain normal fluid levels in the body. It produces and transports lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, that help the body fight infections. Lymph nodes filter lymph fluid, trapping pathogens and initiating immune responses. The lymphatic system absorbs dietary fats and fat-soluble vitamins from the intestines and transports them to the bloodstream. The endocrine system is a complex network of glands that produce and secrete hormones, which regulate various bodily functions such as metabolism, growth, and mood. The endocrine system is responsible for producing hormones that act as chemical messengers in the body. These hormones are secreted directly into the bloodstream and travel to various organs and tissues, where they exert their effects. This system plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis and regulating numerous physiological processes, including metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, and mood. The digestive system is a complex network of organs that work together to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste, playing a crucial role in maintaining overall health. The digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract and accessory organs. The GI tract is a long, twisting tube that starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. The parasympathetic nervous system plays a crucial role in digestion after eating by activating the rest and digest response. The excretory system is responsible for removing waste products from the body, maintaining homeostasis, and regulating the composition of body fluids. The excretory system, also known as the urinary system, consists of several organs that work together to eliminate waste products and excess substances from the body. The primary organs involved in this system include the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and the urethra. The respiratory system is a complex network of organs and structures that enables breathing, facilitating the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. The respiratory system consists of various organs and tissues that work together to allow for the intake of oxygen and the expulsion of carbon dioxide. The main components include the nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchioles, lungs and alveoli. The respiratory system is vital for maintaining the body's oxygen levels and removing carbon dioxide. The human reproductive system is a complex network of organs and structures responsible for producing offspring, involving both male and female reproductive systems with distinct functions and processes. The human reproductive system is designed to facilitate reproduction through a combination of specialized organs, gametes, and hormones. Its primary functions are to produce gametes, enable fertilization, support fetal development in females, and govern the hormonal changes associated with these processes. When the human reproductive system is not functioning properly, it can lead to hormonal imbalances that significantly impact skin health, possibly resulting in conditions such as acne, dryness, hirsutism, abnormal hair growth, hyperpigmentation, and reduced elasticity and aging. The body is a beautifully connected system. What affects one part impacts the whole. Skin is influenced by hormones, endocrine, which cause acne and pigmentation. The nervous system, when stress is high, this may lead to breakouts or flare-ups. The lymphatic system helps detox the skin. The digestive system and microbiome reflects through the skin. The circulatory system delivers oxygen-rich blood, keeping the skin glowing. Thanks for watching Aesthetics Biology Basics. Understanding the human body doesn't just help you pass your state board. It helps you become a better skin therapist. When you know how internal systems affect the skin, you can recommend better services and products for real, lasting results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video to review before your exam.